Hello, everybody. I hope everybody are doing great, and I hope you all are looking for some good career and thinking of how to choose a career. So I will share all my experiences. I'm an IT employee, okay, and I got around 10 plus years of IT experience. And after working for several years, still I'm having a question on. I used to have the question on how will be the future of my current domain and how will I be able to survive in the changing or transforming world. So I have the same question which millions of people have right now, because the world is transforming very quickly now. So everybody are talking about cloud and everybody are talking about automation, and this is causing a lot of chaos in the society and in the people's minds on what will be my future. Most of the people are thinking, most of the employees, most of the IT employees, not just IT employees, this transformation is for everybody, because the automation is not just impacting the IT, but it's impacting each and every business and each and every domain, each and every branch. So I used to have the same question which everybody has on what will be my future and how to make it secure and what should I do for it. So as many of the people are talking about AWS, which is part of cloud, and many talking about other clouds which are also leading, which are nothing but Google, Azure from Microsoft, etc. I have started with Azure because I thought Azure is the product of Microsoft. So because they have many other products, they will be able to sell this product by offering something to the buyers. So I thought Azure will move much forward than AWS, and I started with Azure. Then again I started thinking on why to choose Azure when the whole world is going behind AWS, and AWS is really doing well with a lot of new services, and they're really working hard in making their product much better day by day. So I thought better I go with AWS. And there are other cloud products also which are from Google and many others. So I keep thinking on what is actually best, what should I do. So again I switched over to AWS and started with AWS. I purchased some learning courses. So this is how my journey started, and my the thinking pattern in my mind is going on. So I am not able to fix to any of the product initially, and I started with something, and when I really talked to my friends and search for the job opportunities, I really did not find anything promising. So I see there I don't really see so many jobs for the cloud, just the cloud alone, but I see the combination of cloud and something else. So it's a most of the jobs are combination of cloud and something else. So I changed my search on the job sites with the different keywords. So but I'm speaking to many people and going through the top five courses, top five IT technologies. I came across DevOps. But as many has the myth on the many myths on DevOps, I also has the same. I thought DevOps is mainly for developers. So in DevOps, as many of you know, Dev is for development and Ops is for operations, and the persons engineers who manage both development and operations is nothing but DevOps. So I thought we need to be a developer already to to be good at the part of dev in DevOps and operations. Because I am part of the operations, supporting the operations, I thought, okay, I'm fine with the operations but not with the development. But I started searching on how the job opportunities are, and they are really, really good. As of now, I'm talking in 2019, and the month is February. So as on 2019, DevOps are having a lot of opportunities, and I have started digging on why DevOps is on demand, or why DevOps is having a lot of opportunities and things like that. So I came to know that DevOps engineer need not do the actual coding. So the main code or the source code is developed by the developer, and the DevOps engineer will be taking care of properly deploying it and automating in getting the code deployed. So, and the world, all the software development is getting into DevOps, because DevOps saves the customers money and saves their time and makes the things easy for the software development to happen. So there is no other way other than going to DevOps. So definitely there will be very good future for DevOps, and definitely as of now there will be a lot of demand. So I started digging more into DevOps. When I speak to many people, everybody used to say that there are a lot of tools in DevOps and we have to learn a lot of tools. So it's very difficult. But okay, so if DevOps have a lot of tools and it has some difficulty to learn it, and AWS or any other cloud technology is very easy to learn, there will be more people learning the easiest one than the tough one. So that might be the reason where there are a lot of AWS engineers or a lot of cloud engineers than the actual job number of job requirements solely designed for managing the cloud. But there are a lot of job openings with the combination of DevOps and any other cloud technology, because there are very few engineers who are prepared for DevOps, who are preparing DevOps, or who know DevOps. So though it is little tougher than AWS, DevOps definitely has demand, and definitely the persons who learn DevOps will grab a job in it. So I started with DevOps, and today I completed 4 classes on it, and I am able to understand the DevOps very well. So which career to choose? So I chose DevOps with the combination of AWS. And how I came to the conclusion. I came to the conclusion to learn DevOps because by doing some groundwork, I searched on the internet, I searched on the job sites on how the job openings are there, job requirements are there for DevOps, I find more for DevOps than the cloud technologies alone. I have found the combinations of DevOps plus AWS or DevOps plus Google or DevOps plus Azure this way. So I came to the conclusion that I should prepare DevOps. So in DevOps, we need to learn few tools, because in DevOps there are different parts, and each part has different tools. There are multiple tools to do the same work to manage that particular part. For example, in DevOps we have source code management system and configuration management system. We have continuous integrity, we have continuous deployment, we have monitoring and code management, which is source code management. So there are a few more. Okay, so we need to learn different tools. We need not learn every tool which does the same thing, but one among those. So learning is a continuous process, and that has to be done slowly, though it takes little bit more time than any other easier technologies to learn. It has demand and it has a lot of jobs. So getting the job is guaranteed. So that's how I came to the conclusion that we have to learn DevOps. How am I finding DevOps or AWS or Python? So I have choose DevOps, and I have choose AWS, and I have choose Python, because DevOps mostly runs on the cloud platforms. It could be AWS, Azure, Google, or any other thing. And in DevOps, it is always advantageous and it's always recommended to learn some scripting language, because Python is easy when compared to many other coding languages. So I have chosen Python, and I started Python few weeks ago, and it's going really well. I'm able to understand the syntaxes, I am able to understand the coding, and I'm able to do the exercise as well. And even AWS, because I'm from the infrastructure background, so it's very much understandable. I need to learn little bit more deeper on few things, otherwise it's interesting and understandable. And same with DevOps. So I'm not finding these things tougher. The only thing what I'm doing is I'm spending some time in learning these things, and it's all going good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So I'll come up with more videos and my experiences and share my journey with all you guys. Thank you.